Today we are looking at lamb's heart because we've been studying it in lectures, so it's a more hands-on experience.
Today we're working with the sports science students. Last week they had a lecture on the heart, and today they have a lamb heart which they're going to dissect. They have a sort of series of structures that they learnt about in theory last week, and today they're going to look at it in reality. This is a great opportunity for students. It's very rare that you get the opportunity to do any kind of dissection. It requires a lab, it requires a teacher, and for them this is something where they get their hands on. They get to have that experience of learning by exploring, by being curious.
We're really lucky to have this connection with the medical sciences department, so we can pull the expertise of people like Vivian and give students something more than they'd get from purely just a sort of sports science degree.
The students really, they enjoy it, they find it useful. Every year that I've run this module, the predominant feedback from the students when they talk about the things that they like best, it was these hands-on experiences that they have.
At the moment it's cold because it's been frozen, but I thought it would be quite heavier than what it is. And it's quite rubbery as well.
I really like that we can just like figure it out ourselves and just like cutting into it and see how an actual heart looks like.
They've seen things in textbooks and they can see it on a page. There's nothing like actually seeing it in front of you, and also gets them to appreciate that things aren't as straightforward as they might seem in textbooks, so they have a much more rounded and sort of understanding of it, and it's just really enjoyable opportunity for them as well.
It's a good experience. It helps us understand it more, because if we have a visual, if we see it visually, maybe we'll memorize it more instead of just relying on the boards or anything electronic, to be honest. But yeah, it's a good experience.
It gives you a better understanding of the anatomy because it's like you can actually see it.
After I graduate, I was planning to go into physiotherapy, so I was learning about the heart, like what's like the jobs around it, like pumping blood around the injuries, how it could influence health, fatigue and all that. So it's a good experience to learn about the heart and different organs.